welcome to the new video of geometry, that is coordinate geometry. So let us begin. In this video we will find out the distance between any two points on an axis, and now this time we will take y-axis. So our xy plane, and here we have again xy plane, and on y-axis we are taking 2 points. Point A, as you can see, it has appeared on xy plane and its coordinates are 0, -2, means point A has x coordinate 0 and y coordinate -2. Another point B whose coordinates are 0, -4. So both are lying on y axis. Now we are taking, since the point A and B are lying on x and y plane, the point A has x1 and y1 we are taking, and point B as x2 and y2. Therefore, point A and B are lying on y-axis, so its x coordinate will be 0, as you can see the coordinates of both the points. Therefore, point A has x1 equals to 0 and y1 equals to -2, and B has x2 equals to 0 and y2 equals to -4. As you see, x coordinate of both the points are 0, therefore we'll go for y2. So here y1 is greater than y2. Same method, no need of changing. The distance between 2 points A, B equals to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. So y1 is greater than y2, therefore y1 minus y2. Substitution, -2, that is y1, minus of -4, that is y2. When I open the bracket, I got -2 plus 4, which in turns become +2. So the distance between point A and B is 2 units. Let us see one more example. We have point C and point D again on y-axis, and their coordinates are, C has coordinates as 0 and 3 and D has 0 and 5. As you know, both of them, they are lying on same axis, and the point C we have taken x1 and y1, and point D we have taken x2, y2. Both are lying on y-axis, therefore their x coordinate will be 0. So point C, from point C, x1 will be equals to 0 and y1 will be equals to 3, and from point D we will have x2 equals to 0 and y2 equals to 5. So as we can observe, y1 is 3 and y2 is 5. So y2 is greater than y1. Therefore, distance between point C and D equals to y2 minus y1. Hence, when we substitute the value, y2 will be replaced by 5 and y1 will be replaced by 3. 5 minus 3 will give you answer as 2. Clear? So I hope you have understood. So the distance between point C and D equals to 2. Thank you for watching the video. If you have liked, please share with your friends. See you with the next video.